Hi, I'm Chris,
And I'm Cassie.
and this is Academic Problem Solving, Feedback and Reflection.
The aim of this session is to recognize feedback as a constructive resource, to consider how to respond positively to feedback, how to action or implement feedback, and finally, to offer strategies to improve based on feedback received. So, what is feedback, and how does it help us to reflect and improve?
Feedback is a term used to describe the comments and advice we are given. Receiving feedback is extremely important.
Feedback can come in many different forms. It can be advice given to you in lectures, seminars, or tutorials. It might be advice written in emails and directly onto an assignment. It can even come delivered as an informal chat.
It can also come from a range of people, such as lecturers, tutors, support staff, classmates, and other students.
Feedback offers an insight into your strengths and weaknesses and offers practical solutions for improvement.
Receiving feedback can often be an emotional experience. You may, for example, not do as well as you would have wanted, or you may receive better feedback than you thought.
It is normal to receive both positive and negative feedback.
Several scholars have approached reflection, and a review of the literature reveals a number of additional strategies that can be used to resolve academic problems. These include works by Graham Gibbs and David Kolb.
Gibbs' model has 6 stages. The first step, or stage, seeks to identify the problem. The next 2 help to express feelings and emotions associated with your present circumstances. Having identified these, it's now time to analyze and conclude. The cycle then moves forward to consider solutions and encourages the creation of a plan.
Next, we have David Kolb's learning cycle. Read in a clockwise direction, this model encourages us to describe an event, to review it, to reach conclusions, and vitally, to plan for next time.
Additional methods, often cited in both business and education, are SWOT and GROW.
SWOT is a 4-stage analysis. The acronym stands for strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. It works by considering our strengths and weaknesses before exploring any realistic or achievable opportunities to resolve our problems and possible threats.
GROW analysis also has 4 stages: goal, reality, options, and will. The first looks to your plans and considers outcome, or goal. Here, you must decide what you want to do or change.
Next, determine reality. What is your present reality? Where are you starting from?
Then, options, exploring all possible ways you can reach your goal before finally examining will. What will you do? For example, how long have you got left to write your essay? What goal have you set yourself? What outcome or grade do you want or maybe need?
To expand on this, where are you starting from? What work have you already completed? What do you still need to do?
The first 2 utilize reflection and urge the problem solver to consider recent events before formulating their plans for the future. The third example also utilizes reflection, but instead of visualizing recent events as a cycle, it is linear, analytical, and offers a fast response.
The fourth example, GROW, helps identify ways to develop, and SWOT and GROW analysis are often integral parts of the decision-making process.
To use your feedback effectively, consider the process in these 5 steps.
1. Identify the key points delivered by your feedback.
2. Understand what it is you were being advised.
3. Accept the feedback you are given.
4. Reflect upon it and take action, but try not to become too anxious or stressed when you receive feedback.
5. Understanding feedback is the key to meeting your expectations and achieving higher grades.
We need feedback to know how to improve. You should keep a note of your feedback, whether positive or negative, and plan how you are going to use it.
Constructively responding to feedback is a form of active learning.
There are essentially two kinds of learners, active and passive. Active learners look for creative ways to engage with their studies. They look for opportunities to enrich and expand their learning experience.
Active learners engage with their learning materials, think critically, and follow up ideas with further reading.
Passive learners, on the other hand, accept information they come into contact with and rarely question points.
Which kind of learner are you? Think about the opportunities available to you. Are you actively looking for ways to enrich and enhance your university experience?
Are you working hard and working smart?